Good day, everybody. I want to take a little bit of time and just go ahead and explore the magic of Google Docs and show you a few of the things that you can do with it. So the very first thing that we're going to do is log into our Gmail account. Now, if you don't already have a Gmail account, go ahead and get one. And if you don't know how to do that, you can see me, or heck, maybe I'll make another video. So once you're into your Gmail account, you will actually go up to here. It's a little app looking button, and if you click that, to bring up this, and then you can go to Google Drive. Click that. So that should open up a new tab for you. When it does, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. There it is. Okay, so now as you can see, I have a ton of files already in here. Yours will probably start out blank. So with Google Drive, a couple of different things that you can do. One of the most basic is by clicking on the Create button here, it gives you an opportunity to create a couple different things. You can create a document, which is just like a word processing document. I'll show you that now. Okay, and you can type in it very much in the same way that you can with Word, and it has most of the same formatting features. It's not quite as customizable as a Word document would be, but it will definitely do in a pinch. And the coolest thing about it is that it automatically saves, so you never have to save it, and it will automatically upload to your Google Drive, and you don't have to worry about anything ever again. If you want to title it, you can just come up here and you can say just title it. We'll call this one practice document. Right? And so if I switch back to the My Drive tab, if I scroll all the way down here, actually, why don't I do this? Why don't we go last modified? And there it is, right there, practice document. Okay? So that's really cool. Another thing that you can do is you can create a PowerPoint-like presentation. And again, here's the basic player that goes along with it, and it works very similar to PowerPoint, except again, it's all based upon the web, and it's all automatically saves for you as well. And again, it's not quite as powerful as PowerPoint is going to be, but if you need something nice, easy, and simple, this is a great thing to rely on. And you can see there's also various different themes that you can get. One of my favorites to use is the Star Trek one. And click OK, and that will actually give you a theme. I don't know what the slides go wide is, right? And that will give you the theme here. And then you can just click into the different boxes very much like you would with any other PowerPoint. And you can insert new slides, format, arrange, tools, and play around with that. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. You can also do Excel-like spreadsheets. I won't show you that, but it's basically the same. Again, not quite as powerful as Excel, but again, it's very nice because it allows you to do it all online, and you don't have to worry about having to save it and those sorts of things. You can also create Google Forms. We'll go into that on a different day. Basically, it allows you to create basically an online form where people can go and input information, then it spits it into a spreadsheet for you, and it gives you all that data right there. And then there's drawing, which I haven't really played with very much, but I imagine it's very much like a paint program. So there's that. So you can also, if you already have files saved on your computer, you can actually upload them directly to your drive. And you can just click Files or Folder. You can upload entire folders. Go to the destination that you would like. So for instance, I don't know, let's say I wanted to put some of my data in there, some of the data from the business. I would click on that, and it will automatically upload. And that's also great because it allows you to see it. And what it will do, actually, is I can probably show you what it looks like. So I've saved it already to the business here. I click on data, and then I just do that. Click on it again, and this is the spreadsheet. Now, in Excel, it looks a lot better, but again, this is just another place that you can save it. And if I were to click this button to download it, I download it to my computer and I open it up with Excel. It'll look just like it would it'll look a lot better, is what I should say. So you can close that little preview window by clicking that. And let's go back to my drive. So that's the uploading. You can also upload by utilizing a Google Drive. Now, Google Drive folder, and that's basically you click this, it asks you to install some software, you do it, and then it will actually put a little shortcut to a Google Drive folder on your desktop, and anything you drag into that will automatically be uploaded. And again, another video, but it's pretty intuitive once you get into it. So one of the last things that I wanted to show you is the act of sharing documents. So let's say, I don't know, let's say we have this online documents. Now let's go right here. Copy of syllabus for the principles of financing and accounting. Let's say I wanted to share this document with somebody. So what I would do is I would put a little check mark next to it and come up here where it says share. I'd click that, opens it up, and actually, hold on a second, that's not right. Let's actually open up the document. Right? Alright, so here this is, and then I can add people to it. Okay, and you'll get a screen that looks like this. Okay, a couple things you can do. The first thing is if you want to share it with a very specific person, you can put their email address in here. And if you would like to add a little message, you just click that and you would add a message. So for instance, if I wanted to share it with me, which is at my other Gmail account, I would just type in my Gmail account there, and I could say, hey, check this out. Okay. And then when I hit the share and save, it will automatically zip an invite email to that person. Now, I recommend that you only send it to people with Gmail accounts. You can send it to anybody with any kind of email account, but if they don't already have a Gmail account, what's going to happen is Google is going to make them sign up for a Gmail account, which isn't a terrible thing. It's a good thing to have, but just something to keep in mind. You can also use this link here to share the document. Now, if you're going to do that, one thing you need to do is where it says private, on this section right here, you need to go to change, right? And then you need to decide, just click anyone with the link, okay? And then access anyone, no signing required, can either view, comment, or edit. My suggestion is leave it at view. Comment if you really want other people to be able to make comments on it. And editing is if you just want free for all, people can do whatever they want to the document. So you click save. Now you can cut and paste this link into anywhere, and somebody can click the link and they'll be able to go directly to this document. So I'm going to go ahead and cut and paste. I'm going to copy it. And actually what I want to do is I want to take myself out of this. Alright. Click done, right? And then I'm going to go up to my address bar, which you cannot see in your screen. I'm going to just cut and paste it in there. And it's taking a second. There it is. Okay. And so that's a nice way to be able to share documents. So it's quick, it's easy, and other people can access it without actually having the program itself. As long as you don't want them to be able to edit it, they don't really need a Gmail account. You can share it with them with just using the link. So that's that. Well, one other really cool thing is if you are a file hoarder, kind of like myself, one of the things you can do is I have stuff organized in here in my personal Gmail account, maybe not so organized. So what I do is I like to be able to, let's say I don't know, last year I made some sort of document about an SLO. I don't recall exactly what it was. So I type in SLO in the search box, and it's going to basically bring up every single either file or folder that has SLO in the title of the document, which again, extraordinarily helpful. Okay. To find stuff when instead of having to click through 15 different folders on your desktop and trying to look for something. So in any case, that is Google Drive in a nutshell. There's quite a bit more that can be done with it, but if you're looking to just sort of get started and play around with it, this is a great way to do it. Any questions? Come see me. Thanks.